welcome back. Today's lecture is going to be really interesting because today we are going to learn about DOM events. But first, let us see the agenda of this lecture. Today we will start with the introduction to DOM events, then types of events that can occur. After that, we will move forward and see one simple HTML DOM event and how to assign a function. Then, two types of DOM events with examples. At the end, there is an assignment for you all. Before moving on to DOM events, you need to know what events are. So events, they are actions that happen when a user interacts or does something on or with the page, like clicking an element, typing in a field, or loading a page, etc. There are many different types of events that can occur. For example, the user selects a certain element or hovers the cursor over a certain element. The user chooses a key on the keyboard. The user resizes or closes the browser window. A web page finishes loading. A form is submitted. A video is played, paused, or finished. An error occurs. Now let us see what DOM events are. JavaScript can be executed when an event occurs, like when a user clicks on an HTML element. To execute code, when a user clicks on an element, add JavaScript code to an HTML event attribute. OnClick is equal to JavaScript. Let us see a basic example. In this example, we are assigning a hello message to the onClick event of the h2 element. OnClick is the name of the event. Now let us see the output. When user clicks on the text, voila, it will change. Just like the previous example, we can assign a function to the event. For example, in this example, we are creating a function named changeText, and it takes one parameter, which is ID. By getting the ID of an element, we are applying inner HTML property to change the content of that element to the message hello. In the onClick event of the h2 element, we have assigned the function onClick, onLoad, onError, onMessage, etc. can be called attributes of an event. Here, onClick is an attribute of the event. This keyword refers to the same element on which the event is used. Now let us see the output. When we click on the text, it changes to hello. JavaScript provides us with a variety of DOM events like mouse events, keyboard events, etc. And they have subtypes like onClick, key up, key down, etc. Let us see examples of a couple of DOM events. We will be having a thorough discussion of events in the next lecture. OnLoad event. OnLoad event gets triggered when the page is loaded. It is a type of page load event. Here is an example. In the My function, we have created an alert message. We have assigned the function to the onLoad attribute of the event. When the page is loaded, the message gets displayed on the page. Let us see the output. Great, the alert has displayed on the screen. Let us see another example of event. OnFocus event. This type of event is triggered when we focus on something on the screen. And here is an example. So in this example, there is an input field. We are going to change the color of the input field to yellow. So in the function, we change the background to yellow. We set the event onFocus to My function. When the input field gets focused, a function is triggered which changes the background color. So this is how we can use the onFocus event. Well, these are the few examples of DOM events. We will have detailed examples of more events in the next lecture of the course. And here is an easy assignment for you all. When you click on a button, there should be an alter message. Welcome to our website. In case you guys want a hint, use the onClick function. Well, I really cannot wait to meet you all in the next lecture with next part of DOM events, which is event listener. So till then, stay connected and yes, please stay safe. Bye.